Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about double integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to find the intersection. So that should be about this one, this one, this one, and this one. So we see that this one and this one, that is about the intersection between negative s plus number 2 and s squared. So I will put this one go to the left, and we have like this. So we need to find the value of this one, and we have s equals to negative number 2 and number 1. The next one, this one and this one, that is between y equals to s squared and y equals to 1 over 2. So we put the square root for the both sides, and we have s equals to the square root of number 2 over number 2, and s equals to negative of the square root of number 2 over number 2. After we find the intersection, we need to find about the whole region from here. Like this, we minus about this region in here, so we got about this one. So we put the bounds in here. So the whole region of this one, including the y region in here, that is about between y equals to negative s plus number 2 and y equals to s squared. So about dy, we can see that dy between this line and the curve in here. So this is about the lower, this is about the upper. So we have s squared gone here and negative s plus number 2 gone here. The s, that is between this one to this one, because we just focus on the whole region right now. So that's why s between from negative number 2 to positive number 1. We need to minus about this y region in here. So that should be about dy. This one, that is about the upper. This one, that is about the lower. So we put s squared in here and 1 over 2 gone here. The s, that should be between this line and this line. So that should be from negative the square root of number 2 over number 2, and the second one the square root of number 2 over number 2. And now we can get the value of this double integral, only green region in here. So we just calculate this one. The integration of y squared, that is about y to the power of 3 over number 3, and we put the bounds from s squared to negative s plus number 2 minus the integration negative of the square root of number 2 over number 2 to the square root of number 2 over number 2. So this one we have y to the power of 3 over number 3. This is number 3, not number 2. So we put the bounds from s squared to 1 over 2. And now we put this one gone here, s squared gone here. So we have like this. And the next one, so that should be about 1 over 8 minus about s to the power of 6 over number 3. So now we need to expand this one. And we have like this. And the next one, so s will multiply by this one, and similar for this one. So I will go fast for this calculation. So this one you will have about, this one we have negative of 603 over 40. This one you got number 0, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.